This is a demonstration of how to make the pleated pockets on the can-can pattern that's available at offthewallquilt.com. This is just a sample piece. It's not an actual kit, but I've gone ahead and marked it according to the instructions. I have my solid line as indicated, and then an inch away from that, I made lines. I made them dotted so that you could see the difference. So when I'm ready to fold those pleats, I take the dotted line and I just pinch the fabric right where the dotted line is, like this. I just pinch it, and then I bend it over until that crease that I just pinched touches the line that I made on the fabric. And I take one of my clips and clip it really well. Okay, I'll make sure I keep my pleat up there on the line. And I clip it on both ends because it's pretty stiff at that point. Then I'm going to go over to the opposite 1-inch line. That's a fold line. And again, I'm going to pinch my fabric right there. And I know with the stabilizer in there, it's kind of stiff, but go ahead and just pinch it. And again, bend it over to that fold line, and so that it meets the other pleat. And then you can pin both of the, clip both of them, and one clip on each end. And it looks like this. And I've got a pleat going. Now when I get to the end, I'm also going to fold on the indicated mark. And this time I'm going to bring it right over, make sure I get it over the fold in the right place. I can see the edge of my batting, my stabilizer that I fused underneath there according to the directions. And I'm going to make my pleat go pointing out because the seam is going to be sewn right along the edge of my stabilizer. So that will be in the center of the pleat. The pleat that we make on the other side will come and face it right there once we sew our fabric together. So make sure that the edge of that fold faces out.